Welcome to the heart of America's space program, the Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. Established in 1963, this iconic facility has been at the forefront of human spaceflight for over half a century. Known affectionately as Mission Control, the Johnson Space Center has played a pivotal role in some of humanity's greatest achievements beyond Earth's atmosphere. As we explore the history and significance of this remarkable institution, we'll journey through time. From the early days of the space race to the cutting-edge missions of today, the Johnson Space Center stands as a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and our enduring quest to explore the cosmos. Let's begin our tour by stepping back to the 1960s. A decade of unprecedented progress in space exploration, the Johnson Space Center, then known as the Manned Spacecraft Center, opened its doors in 1963. This new facility was designed to be NASA's primary hub for human spaceflight training and operations, a role it continues to fulfill to this day. During the Apollo program, the center became the nerve center for some of the most ambitious missions in human history. It was here, in the now famous Mission Control Room, that teams of dedicated engineers and scientists guided spacecraft and their brave crews on their journeys to the moon. The culmination of these efforts came on July 20, 1969, when Apollo 11 astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on another celestial body. The Johnson Space Center's place in history was further cemented during the dramatic events of Apollo 13 in 1970. It was then that the world heard the now iconic phrase, "Houston, we've had a problem." The ingenuity and determination of the teams at Mission Control were instrumental in bringing the endangered crew safely back to Earth, turning a potential tragedy into a triumph of human spirit and technical expertise. Throughout its history, the Johnson Space Center has been synonymous with astronaut training. Here, in state-of-the-art facilities, men and women prepare for the challenges of space. Astronauts spend countless hours in perfecting procedures and preparing for every conceivable scenario they might face in the unforgiving environment of space. One of the most unique training environments at the center is the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory. This enormous indoor pool, large enough to house full-scale mock-ups of spacecraft modules, allows astronauts to practice spacewalks in conditions that closely mimic the weightlessness of orbit. The water's buoyancy counteracts gravity, providing an invaluable analog for the microgravity environment astronauts will experience in space. At the heart of the Johnson Space Center lies the Mission Control Center, a facility that has guided every crewed U.S. space mission since Gemini 4 in 1965. Today, it continues to play a crucial role in the operations of the International Space Station. Teams of flight controllers work around the clock, monitoring systems, coordinating experiments, and ensuring the safety and success of astronauts living and working in orbit. The center's impact extends far beyond its operational roles. For millions of visitors each year, Space Center Houston serves as a window into the wonders of space exploration. This public museum and education center offers a unique blend of artifacts, interactive exhibits, and educational programs that inspire curiosity and foster a love of science and exploration. Visitors to Space Center Houston can marvel at real spacecraft that have journeyed to and from space. The Apollo 17 command module, which carried the last humans to walk on the moon, stands as a testament to the achievements of the Apollo era. Outside, a massive Saturn V rocket lies horizontally, allowing visitors to appreciate the sheer scale of the vehicle that launched humans to the moon. One of the most popular attractions is the shuttle replica Independence. Mounted on top of the original NASA 905 shuttle carrier aircraft, this impressive display gives visitors a sense of the scale and complexity of the Space Shuttle program, which for 30 years served as America's primary means of access to low Earth orbit. Interactive experiences abound at Space Center Houston. Visitors can participate in mission simulations, getting a taste of what it's like to work as part of a space mission team. Regular astronaut encounters provide the opportunity to hear first-hand accounts from those who have ventured beyond Earth's atmosphere, inspiring the next generation of explorers and scientists. As we look to the future, the Johnson Space Center continues to play a vital role in humanity's journey into space. The center is at the forefront of developing the Artemis program, NASA's ambitious plan to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence on our celestial neighbor. Engineers and scientists at the center are working on the technologies and procedures that will enable long-duration lunar missions and, eventually, human exploration of Mars. In recent years, the Johnson Space Center has also embraced partnerships with commercial spaceflight companies. This collaboration between NASA and private industry is ushering in a new era of space exploration, with the potential to make access to space more frequent and affordable. The center remains a global hub for cutting-edge research in space-related sciences. From developing new life support systems to advancing robotics technology for future planetary exploration, the work done here continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in space. Perhaps one of the most significant impacts of the Johnson Space Center is its role in inspiring generations of students and visitors from around the world. The center embodies the spirit of exploration and the pursuit of knowledge that has driven human progress throughout history. It serves as a reminder of what we can achieve when we set our sights on ambitious goals and work together to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. For the city of Houston, the Johnson Space Center is a source of immense pride. It's the reason behind Houston's nickname, Space City, and has been an integral part of the city's identity for decades. The center's presence has attracted a diverse community of scientists, engineers, and innovators, contributing to Houston's reputation as a hub of technological innovation. As we reflect on the legacy of the Johnson Space Center, we're reminded of the incredible teamwork, dedication, and innovation that have characterized its history. From the early days of the space race to the ongoing exploration of our solar system, the center has been at the forefront of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. The Johnson Space Center stands as a monument to human curiosity and our innate desire to explore the unknown. It represents not just the achievements of the past, but the promise of future discoveries and adventures that await us in the vast expanse of space. As we continue to reach for the stars, the Johnson Space Center will undoubtedly remain a crucial part of humanity's journey into the cosmos, inspiring us to dream big and reach ever further into the unknown.